Welcome back, my friends, to another daily work from home job lead. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss another job lead, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. But we will keep today's video as short as possible. Today's job lead is from the company Greenhouse. Now, Greenhouse provides software solutions to companies for their hiring needs, kind of that fill in that HR piece. And they are hiring a payroll specialist to work remotely from home anywhere in the United States. The payroll specialist will report to the payroll manager and play a pivotal role in processing payroll both domestically and internationally. It says that you'll own state registrations and compliance payroll, HRIS system implementation, and all payroll-related communications for their growing multi-state and international employee base. So a little bit about what you'll be doing. You'll handle payroll processing procedures for all of their locations. You'll serve as a point of contact for their employee pay-related questions. You'll handle employee data and update their payroll system through the life cycle of each employee. You'll partner with the finance department and you'll assist with the implementation of any new payroll systems. So they are looking for someone who is a data enthusiast and a people system enthusiast, someone who is a team player. Now, they do require experience with high volume payroll processing, great quantitative and Excel skills. They want someone who has experience with the HRIS technology, such as namely Workday or UKG, someone who has experience in multi-state or international payroll. They do not require a college degree, but they do state if you have some unique payroll related talents, but you don't meet 100% of the qualifications, that's okay. Plead your case in your cover letter and let them know why you would be great. Now, you must be in the United States because they currently don't have work authorization outside of the United States. Now, of course, pay is always dependent on location and the skills you bring to the table, but the pay range for this position starts at $61,000 a year and goes all the way up to $83,000 a year. Now, while in this job posting, they do not list a whole lot of benefits. They do say that they have the basics such as medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. And they do have a separate page that goes over their interviewing process that is linked straight from this page if you want to know more about how they do their interviews. If you end up applying for this position, or if you apply for any other positions that I post, let us know down in the comments below. I always love hearing the feedback that these job leads have been helpful and people are getting interviews and getting hired. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.